Hello, good morning. Yesterday we learned about Belinda's house and her pets and how they live together in the little white house, isn't it? So today we'll begin from wherever we ended in the last session. So the poem then continues and it says that when Belinda and her pets were giggling and enjoying in their house, suddenly a pirate enters. Pirate means Chanayoro. We can say some kind of a robber. Okay. So suddenly a robber or a pirate enters Belinda's house and tries to attack Belinda. This pirate was holding two guns in his two hands and was also also taking a sword in his mouth, a small sword in his mouth, and he tried to attack Belinda. So when Belinda cried for help, all her pets, those who were famous or who were loved for their bravery, like the kitten, the mouse, and the dog, okay, all of them fled. And instead of helping, they just fled in order to save their own lives. Ink and Blink just disappeared into their, mouse into his mouse hole, and the kitten into his own, wherever he stays, okay, and the dog just fled away. So all the brave pets, all the saviors, all the so-called saviors, we can say, the so-called saviors just fled away when the pirate attacked Belinda. But Custard the dragon, who was known for his cowardness, whom everybody poked fun at, he jumped at the pirate at once. The moment he saw the pirate attacking Belinda, he attacked the pirate at once, and it jumped on him like Robin Bird attacks worms. Robin Bird bilake worms or upor jeneke attack kore, mane dekhar loge loge je khabo lagi jay, teneke this Custard jumped on the body of the pirate in order to kill him, you can say. So when this happened, the pirate got very nervous. So nervousness he nijor control ghurai pabole অকমান তাৰ ওচৰত যেটো এলকহল আছিলে সেই এলকহলটো খালে এলকহলটো কৈছে ইয়াতে গ্ৰগ ওকে সো গ্ৰগ অকমান ড্ৰিংক কৰাৰ পাছত হি ৰিগেইনড হিজ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ এণ্ড শ্বুট এট দ্য ড্ৰেগন দুটা গুলি মাৰিলে বাট দেন এটেক কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে ইউ কেন সে জাষ্ট মানে গাত লগাব নোৱাৰিলে সো when his firing failed, when the dragon escaped the firing, he at once gulped the pirate. Gulped means gili pelale. Bujila? The dragon just gulped the pirate whole. Okay? Gute mane gute manutuke gili dile. So after this victory, all of them were celebrating. Like Belinda hugged Custard, then Mustard licked him, and Ink and Blink made round and round around Custard, and they all celebrated. But suddenly, during this celebration, all of the pets remembered that they were the brave ones, and then they fled. So in order to maintain their level, in order to maintain a balance of their own, we can say, dignity, and to regain that respect, they said that first of all, Mustard said that moi thoka hole মানে মই যদি তাৰ পৰা কিবা কনফিউজনৰ কাৰণে মই গুছি নগলো হেতেন মই থকা হলে I would have been twice braver than Custard. Okay, and on listening this, Ink and Blink said that আমি থকা হলে we would have been thrice braver than Custard. So Custard ইমানখিনি কৰিলে, but after that, though everybody appreciated him, but at the end everybody said that all of them are still braver than Custard. Okay, so as a, we can say, as a good pet or as a good friend, Custard accepted all these things, all this, we can say, taunts. He accepted everything, and at the end he said that yes, it's right, if you guys were present there, I would I would have been just sitting in a corner and I would have to do nothing, and you guys would have saved Belinda and me as well. And then last duta paragraph first যেটো beginning or দুটা paragraph আসিলে হেকিটা আকো repeat হৈছে এই repetition to এটো mean কৰিছে that যদিও ইমানখিনি হৈ গল this pirate attack and then Castor saving Belinda, everything. After all this happened, life went on at the same pace that they had before this attack. Okay, agote jeneke asla teneke life choli thakile aru হেইটোৱে মানে বেলেঞ্চটো মেইনটেইন হৈ আছিলে, একো প্ৰব্লেম নাই হোৱা, তাহাঁতি আকৌ আগৰ নিচিনাই আছিলে। এণ্ড লাষ্টত এইটো কৈছে যে আকৌ পেটছবোৰক গোটেইবোৰকে ব্ৰেভ বুলি কৈছে, কাষ্টাৰ্ডক কাৱাৰ্ড বুলি কৈছে। এইটোৱে কি মিন কৰে ডেট কাষ্টাৰ্ড ইজ হেপী ইন হিজ অ'ন প্লেচ, ইন when situation demands he will act but he won't show off. Okay, আৰু এই পয়েমটোৰ পৰা এইটোৱে মেছেজ ওলাইছে বা এইটোৱে আমি মিনিং এক্সট্ৰেক্ট কৰিব পাৰোঁ ডেট those who show off, যোনে শ্ব' অফ কৰে তাহাঁতৰ সিমানখিনি কেপাচিটি নাথাকিব পাৰে। লাইক মাষ্টাৰ্ড ইংক এণ্ড ব্লিংক, তাহাঁতি নিজৰ ব্ৰেভাৰীৰ বহুত বেছি শ্ব' অফ কৰি থাকে, বাট দেন যেতিয়া দৰকাৰ পৰিলে, যেতিয়া বিলিণ্ডাক বচাব লাগিছিলে, তেতিয়া তাহাঁতি আঁতৰি গুচি গ'ল। চ' দিছ ইজ হোৱাট হেপেন্স ইন লাইফ এজ ৱেল, ডেট যেতিয়া দৰকাৰ পৰে তেতিয়া তোমাৰ যিবিলাক শ্ব' অফ কৰা ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ থাকে, সেই শ্ব' অফ কৰা ফ্ৰেণ্ডছবিলাক কিন্তু লগত নাথাকিব। Those who are true friends, তাহাঁতি কেতিয়াও নেদেখায়, okay, ইমান বেছি নেদেখায় that yes, I love you, I am with you and I can do anything for you, but যেতিয়া দৰকাৰ পৰে তেতিয়া তাহাঁতে কিন্তু সেইখিনি কৰিব, বুজিলা? So basically this is the poem, it ends here, and the moral story that we can extract from this is that those who show off, those who tries to be your close friends, যোনে নিজৰ ভাল কোৱালিটি সদায় দেখাই থাকে, not only friends but যোনে লাইফত সদায় তোমাক যাক মানে দেখি লাগিব that this person is perfect or they are just perfect, those are not the true ones, because everybody has flaws, everybody has their own problems in their life, so perfect কোনো হ'ব নোৱাৰে, কিবা নহয় কিবা থাকিবই লাগিব লাইফত। so যদি কোনোবা পাৰফেক্ট দেখাইছে, maybe that person is false, okay, that person is a deceit, we can say। আৰু যোনে নিজৰ true color দেখায়, যোনে accept কৰে that yes, I lack this, মোৰ এইটো কোৱালিটি নাই, মই বেয়া বা কিবা, সেই পাৰ্চনটো কিন্তু ট্ৰু হয়। So this is it, let's end here, thank you।